portrait mode.
Look at that. Good morning. So today I'm going to be finally experimenting and making the Dubai famous chocolate bar. Now, I didn't want to jump straight onto the whole viral chocolate thing, and I just wanted to just let it calm down a bit before I start. Now, I'm going to take it more of from a pastry chef point of view, try and understand the elements, try to look into how we can temper the chocolate, the filling that goes inside of it, and how we can get it really close to what they've done. Now, of course, 100% I won't be taking credit for this because the creator has done an amazing job at it, but we're going to be trying to duplicate it from a pastry chef point of view and see how far we can go to it, and hopefully if it's really good, bring it finally to Manchester. Now I'm going to hide this because this is still in progress recipe. Now this is the federal sort of a breakfast dish that they do, and it's absolutely amazing, called the federal shroom dish, and this is where how I spend my time developing the recipe. Now I'm not going to share it much just because it's still in progress. And here where we're going to be starting to develop the recipe for the Dubai chocolate bar and make it very close to where it is. So today I wanted to show you behind the scene of how I sort of develop and create a recipe, and also how if I want to sort of duplicate a recipe, this is the thought process that goes behind it. Mostly is me not having the recipe, is me trying it, tasting it, seeing what people say about it, and then form my own way of doing it. And I tend to try and spend a lot of my time until it gets very, very similar. And you can see that from my KFC coleslaw recipe that I've done before, and it's absolutely viral because it's very, very similar. And I'm aiming the same with the federal shroom dish, and I did the same thing with the M&S orzo salad. So yeah, I love these challenges and I love to duplicate it. It's just sort of me tasting and sort of testing my palate. And then today we're going to do the Dubai chocolate bar with my own twist to it, just from seeing what other people said about it, and just slightly change it to what I could be more balanced in terms of the flavor combination and from my own experience as a pastry chef. So without further ado, let's start behind the scene and see where we go from there. I cannot tell you how good this filling is. I ended up changing up the recipe a bit. I added pistachio cream. Now I realized different types of pistachio cream make it either thicker or looser. Plus, when it was wet in the original video, you have to realize it's Dubai and the heat probably was on 40 something. But what I ended up doing is I made it taste like knefe. So the first original process of it is I added ghee and toasted the kataif, and then I added attar, which is like a rose syrup, mixed it in with it, so then all these little kataifi bit can soak in that taste. And then I added the pistachio cream, tahini and whatever, and honestly it tastes like baklava. Yeah. Ready? Okay, don't talk. Okay, I'm gonna keep that here.